Great guys, so in this section I'm going to show you sprint versus marathon tactics. So I'm going to show you 5 super powerful tactics to market your well-optimized account to your target audience. And each of these tactics range from really short-term strategies for instant and powerful results, which is known as sprint tactics, and they're going to be a lot higher maintenance but much better results. And then there are marathon tactics, so longer term strategies for more consistent and long term results, more people following you over the period of months compared to the period of literally seconds or minutes. And these are going to be lower maintenance and easy to maintain in the long term. And what I want to stress is you need a balance of both for momentum in the short term and long term consistency. And the thing that you'll come to realize is that organic growth appears in between these two tactics. So the entire time that you're on Instagram, you're going to be getting a lot of organic growth just for being there and existing and being involved in the community. This growth is accelerated the more marathon and sprint strategies that you take part in. So the more you can do these strategies, the quicker your organic growth is, and you'll find that there's a point in time where you have to do less sprint strategies because the organic growth is covering for that half of it, and the marathon are still in there getting you lots of followers consistently. So I'm going to be a little bit more specific now. As you can see in front of you, here are the 5 strategies that I'm going to walk you guys through to make your account as big as you want it to be. So down the bottom is sprint and up the top is marathon, and you can see the corresponding bar next to the word shows you how effective it is over time compared to the width of the bar, showing you how powerful the results are. So I'm going to walk you through each of these strategies in detail coming up, but I'm just going to list them really quickly. The offsite strategy, so advertising Instagram on your website or in your shop, is going to be a long-term marathon strategy which gets consistent growth over a long period of time. Hashtags is very similar. Likes, so liking other people's photos, are going to get you pretty middle ground results between instant results and long-term consistent results. When you start using follows as your method of connecting to people, you're going to be getting much shorter term results. It's going to be a lot higher maintenance to keep up with. And then lastly, comments is the most short-term strategy out of all of them. So let's dive into each one by one, and let me show you exactly how to use each strategy.